Hey, Jesus! Her Excellency, Her Excellency, Her Excellency, Her Excellency. In the Bible states that the step of a righteous man is ordered by the Lord.
Of course, Everlove TV once again, Everlove TV, just because of this exclusive video content he kept trending on social media, and we think yes, it's about John Dramani Mahama. Enya ameke wato. Magloba you've launched a campaign la ho unchoa. Within the week, Ejagba a tour did the southern part of Volta. Ike eva Keta, va Angloga, Chul of Maide, Hon Gakpe, and all those places. Ike Magloba, Fiko Jabo ato, Akpope constituency so. Plus Ameyoko Jiboa da corner. Plus we are flag bearer. This coming election, which is 2024 election. Magloba Ayovado Keta Central. Magloba enyamike de jolaf maike magloba honorable Hon Gakpe enyamike enye amike afun wade laf maike over a short video ma.
Hey, Jesus! Her Excellency, Her Excellency, Her Excellency, Her Excellency.
There is all social media platform. I'm not against whatever the person did, but let me make more. I'm Antonio in the platform, but this is what I want to do, and you want to do it to condemn somebody concerning that is why you did that. I have no problem with that. But what I have seen, and this is what I'm going to tell you. This is Everlove TV right here, trying the possible best to bring you this great content. You have to subscribe to this channel because we are here to break you these exclusive types of music, exclusive types of videos, so that you can be watching all the time. Just be on your comfort zone in the house and then watch all the content. Honorable Hon Gakpe nyameke ho Mike le time ko John Dramani Mahama, former president, if I visit Keta constituency. Enyameke afonu degere ike le excitement, should I say excitement, jijokpopo lema na me jijokpopo yakama there is kind of tension at the lead. You know, when you are eager to meet somebody and the first time you meet the person, Jonah, if you are willing to see somebody.
In the Bible states that the step of a righteous man is ordered by the Lord. On this biblical version I give you, I declare you as a winner.
If you are willing to see somebody and Ameke you are dying to meet, Ameke is your mentor, Ameke you are like, you wanted to meet a person with your whole life, you are planning to meet this person, you never meet a man. There is some excitement, there is some pressure bounce on you. There is some pressure you cannot know, you don't know what to even say. My brother, no my honorable Hon Gakpe, my sentence I do former sentence and we don't know whether it's editing but what I'm saying, anybody, this kind of things, when you are doing it during this era, you the person who did this video, don't know warm just to condemn this man by this coming election. People will see this and not to vote for him. My brother, my sister, you are doing this just to support this guy to be voted for. You are doing this to make this man get more votes. I tell you. So this kind of things, when you're doing this kind of things, you have to be very careful when you are doing this thing. Not the kind of this time. Not this time. You know, you are rather making this person popular. You are rather making this person popular. Look, let me tell you, whatever team that is against this man, I am not in any of the teams. I work with everybody. But when you are doing these things, you are only trying to project this person more than anything. Look at His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The time he called Ogala Jipiaji, me platform Ji Omujani, but what happened? The same person came victorious. So some of these things and those videos were the one trending. Look at former president, the late Atamels, those things, people use that one to make this man popular. So when you are doing this kind of thing, be very careful when you are doing it. You are making the person very popular. So I want you to just watch this video. Let's go and then watch this video. The short video yakako I'm on work on social media. I don't know whether to condemn this man for speaking. You see, this is true. When you've not seen someone for a long time, you are dying to meet somebody. This excitement will come and you will be frustrated in when you are talking. Or there will be some pressure mount on you to the extent that speaking become a problem. It happens to me. So you out there, I know it has happened to you before. So don't think this is not happening at all the time. It's happened all the time. So be careful when you are putting these kind of things out there. Honorable Hon Gakpe, my advice to you too, when you're about to speak, breathe in, and relax yourself when you wanted to talk. This will help you a lot. These things will help you a lot. I know you were under a pressure. I tell you, it happens to everybody. I know you were under a pressure. His Excellency, the former president, was there. There was some excitement. You wanted to bring something for him to know, but you are doing your best for the Keta constituency, just for you to express yourself. Any mistake. So, Honorable Hon Gakpe, this is my advice for you. If you want to do such things, be careful. Speak slowly. When you want to speak fast, I know you to be a slow speaker. You are not the fast type. So you want to speak on this kind of occasion that you know your mentor is coming, somebody you are dying to see is coming there. Be very careful when you are speaking. Relax yourself and speak. Relax yourself and speak. So to you, those of you who did the video, I'm telling you, are only promoting this guy. It is best you do other things to promote whatever you are doing than to promote this guy in this way. This is what I have for you. Remember to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You are there. Just follow us and then subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Watch the videos, share, and make us popular once again so we can make it happen. Let's go and then watch the whole video. Thank you.
Hey, Jesus. Her Excellency. Her Excellency. Her Excellency. Her Excellency. In the Bible states that the step of a righteous man is ordered by the Lord. On this biblical version I give you, I declare you as a winner of 2024 election. And I, Hon Gakpe, member of Parliament for Keta, I declare my support for John Mahama. Those other people are contesting, no bagawaya. Those other people are contesting, no bagawaya. Those other people are contesting, no bagawaya. But this is the foundation constituency of NDC, the founders constituency. But this is the foundation constituency of NDC, the founders constituency. With humility, I want all of us to rise to pay a 1-minute silence to the founder of NDC. Thank you. May their souls rest in perfect peace. May their souls rest in perfect peace. And may his souls rest. His Excellency, on this juncture, I will change the gear to Nyigba. I will change the gear to Nyigba. I will change the gear to Nyigba. I want to speak a language to my people. Eyesu, alle to cock my fear. Ava pura beleko go. My name is John, the ex-president Hello. My name is John, the ex-president Hello. My name is John, the ex-president Hello. The last one is people of Hagoji, Mamime, Sungbe. These are people suffering. There's no road access to them. These are people suffering. There's no road access to them. Bridge is not there. Within 120 days, we want to do the bridge and get access for Huonwe, Habaji, as well. We want to do the bridge and get access for Huonwe, Habaji, as well. We want to do the bridge and get access for Huonwe, Habaji, as well. Because there is no time at this juncture. The dream we are dreaming that 2024 come, His Excellency John Ramani Mahama John Ramani Mahama will be victorious.